I'll leave it here.
Oh, alright.
Whoa.
So, this is my secret cake.
Give me subterranean labs.
This is the same thing.
Oh, sorry. By the way, my name is Rush Cota.
I'm serious. Wait, what's your Hebrew name?
The equipped lion. That's what most people call me.
Wait, if you can, I text you, Rush. Why you did it before?
Cause I actually knew you would come to save me.
7 p.m. I gotta go.
Hey, wait! Zing! Can you get me right?
Whoa, I'm missing in the dryer maze. Souls are lost in the cocky haze. Where do they go? Where do they hide? Portal perhaps to the other side.
All along the mystery. Where do they be? Where do they be? I've heard so long mystery. All along the mystery.
I checked the corners, I checked the floor. I found a spoon, but not what I'm looking for. Show was ripped with a little green toe. Now it's a legend, deal of woe.
And all the Batman behind the chair. I swear this is the end. All along the mystery. Where do they be? Where do they be? I've heard so long mystery. All along the mystery.
Maybe it doesn't mean to separate, or a sipping tea in a limp brigade. A rebel sack with a mind of his own left me here to live alone.
All along the mystery. Where do they be? Where do they be? I've heard so long mystery. All along the mystery. Rush, come! Take a look at this.
Is it a ruby?
No! It might be something connected with the sword and the portal.
So, there is someone behind it?
Exactly!
Dawei is under attack.
What's wrong? You have a dentist in your butt, right?
Yeah.
I'll go along.
Dawei.